How do you get a tree to fall where you want it to fall?
Lots of trial and error.
Zach, how you doing?
Hey Brian, I'm doing great.
So we got a little problem here with this tree. It's already dropping branches on the house.
Okay.
So I want your opinion on what we need to do with this thing, because
Yeah.
the thing I fear is that you take it down, it falls on the house.
Yeah.
So what can you guys do?
It looks, there's a lot of branches over the house. That freeze last year was severe enough to warrant taking it out. It looks pretty dead. It's missing some bark. It's got some pretty big limbs up and over. I think the safest thing to do, instead of risking rigging over the house, is just to tip it straight towards the lake. I think we can get it to squeeze through the pine tree and this oak tree pretty nicely.
Okay.
We'll just put a rope on it for safety, but I think we can get it down and make it into some firewood.
How do you get a tree to fall where you want it to fall?
Lots of trial and error, but normally with a rope, and we're just real careful on a hinge. It's almost like a door hinge. You make sure you get that angle right, and if the tree is strong enough, it should just close right where you tell it to. And if there's no other variables, we don't have a windy day today, it looks fairly healthy by the stem, it should lay right over without a problem.
Well, I can't wait to watch.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you get at it.
Sounds great. Up and away. JP, how did I get to climb this one? This is your day. This is your day to climb. Coming down. Little's coming down.
Did that go as planned? Is that exactly where you wanted it to fall?
I wanted it to go a little more to the right because of your pine tree,
Yeah.
but I mean, it was like 2 feet off.
was
And we'll
great.
take 2 feet all day long.
Right, that was great. That was great. I know y'all do this all day long, but that was amazing.
It's always a gamble, and there's always variables like unseen. This back almost barber chaired. It was starting to separate, and I was worried about it kicking back, but with the skid steer, it pulled it right over, and we were safe.
All right, I'll let you get to cutting.
Thanks, Brian.
Is that
Yep.
normal?
It's not normal.
Okay.
A healthy tree won't have a hollow core. The outside layers are pretty good, but it's just stressed by the winter, and once this starts holding water, it's a couple years and the tree falls over in a storm.
I'd rather it fall when we want it to fall.
Exactly. Yep.
That's wild. I mean, so the whole tree had a hole like this going up?
I don't think all of it did. I'd have to look at the stem. Some of the bigger pieces did not, but likely it's rotten from the bottom up, and just bugs are eating it. You can feel it's all rotten in there. Bugs are having a heyday in there.
Wow.
Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.